When nature calls, technology now answers with a brilliant vision for bathrooms of the future. Imagine walking into a lavatory filled with sensors, devices, and innovations poised to revolutionize your experience. Get ready to meet the incredible smart facilities promising more convenience, cleanliness, and comfort than you've ever known from a humble washroom. In this video, we'll virtually tour the amazing IoT-powered bathrooms of tomorrow. You'll discover sinks and mirrors responding to voice commands, toilets sampling health data each flush, and showers recalling your perfect temperature settings automatically. We'll even peek behind the scenes at the artificial intelligence and sensors making it all work. Beyond the wow factor, you'll learn how smart bathrooms increase accessibility, sustainability, and hygiene using cutting-edge capabilities. We'll also candidly discuss cyber risks and high costs that could dampen mass adoption. So, let's get started. The Internet of Things (IoT) refers to the network of physical objects embedded with sensors, software, and connectivity that enables them to connect and exchange data over the Internet. IoT is transforming homes, cities, industries, and even bathrooms. Smart bathrooms equipped with IoT sensors and devices provide benefits like optimized operations, sustainability, health monitoring, and an enhanced user experience. Today, we will explore how IoT-enabled bathrooms work, components involved, use cases, benefits, and limitations. How IoT transforms bathrooms. At a basic level, introducing Internet of Things IoT capabilities allows bathrooms previously disconnected from technology to become responsive and data-driven. This is achieved by installing internet-connected sensors that monitor various aspects of the bathroom environment, usage, and system's performance. Sensors may track metrics like water flows, soap levels, foot traffic, air quality, and more. The sensor data is then transmitted to cloud-based platforms where artificial intelligence and software analyze usage patterns across days, weeks, or months. The key advantage is that bathrooms can now automatically react and enhance operations without human intervention. For example, automated soap dispensers with IoT capabilities will register when soap levels run low and can automatically place orders for additional cartridges. Or smart lighting fixtures with occupancy sensors can save energy by powering off when not in use. From the end user perspective, IoT allows advancements like entering a restroom and checking if stalls are occupied through mobile app-connected digital displays. This prevents waiting in line for stalls that are already full. Overall, IoT introduces intelligence, convenience, and optimization. For a bathroom to enable IoT capabilities and become completely smart requires installing multiple interconnected components serving various functions. From sensors to detect occupancy and monitor usage patterns, to analytics dashboards providing oversight into trends and actionable insights. Several key hardware and software elements working in tandem serve as the backbone to introduce intelligence, data-driven decision-making, automation, and remote human intervention if needed, to bathrooms once entirely disconnected from digital technology. Firstly, sensors like infrared ceiling-mounted motion detectors at room entryways and inside individual stalls are essential to detect real-time user traffic and provide the raw data feed of usage. Flow meters and level gauges inside sinks, urinals, and toilets supplement by collecting water consumption and analyzing usage volumes. Additional presence-triggering sensors under soap dispensers register when hands pump out sanitizer fluid, while other sensors monitor consumables like tissue paper or cleaner supplies to signal automated refills or janitorial request generation for staff to restock. Once the critical sensor network is embedded, internet connectivity forms the next vital building block, either via Wi-Fi routers or long-range networks built for IoT devices like LoRaWAN to enable each sensor transmitting their continuous stream of digitized data to back-end systems. The cloud offerings of public infrastructure providers like Microsoft Azure, Amazon AWS, or Google Cloud usually serve as the core IoT platforms that handle collecting, aggregating, processing, and analyzing all the heterogeneous sensor data flows into meaningful insights. Dedicated IoT analytics software added on top in the cloud stack then contextualizes patterns, projecting longer-term usage trends, and presenting administrators with actionable dashboards for data-driven decisions, like installing additional stalls in male restrooms witnessing high demand. The insights also enable automation, triggering IoT mechanisms like self-cleaning toilets or touchless faucets to activate based on configurable thresholds, like duration since last use or maximum daily occupancy limits. The vision of a convenience-enhancing, futuristic smart bathroom powered by IoT sensors and devices certainly sounds enticing. However, the reality proves more complex. Yet, when implemented successfully, hyperconnected, intelligent bathrooms usher in novel use cases with tangible rewards. For public venues facing perpetually packed restrooms, IoT presents a potential godsend: the chance to install smarter stalls, sinks, and urinals, benefiting both managers and visitors. Savvy soap dispensers sense when supplies run low, immediately initiating a refill order lacking human handling. Toilet tissue rolls fitted with internet-enabled gauges similarly signal the janitorial staff to restock, avoiding those dreaded moments when stalls seem endless yet paper runs scarce. Even before entering the restroom, cues from ceiling-mounted motion detectors feed stall occupancy rates to screens outside. Visitors can first check if any toilets sit unoccupied before vainly waiting amid a lengthy line, averting that too common cringe when tapping toes outside a bathroom, betting falsely on quick commerce. Already inside and done with business, visionary visitors might wave thanks to the sensor-packed smart sink, intuitively knowing to flow water whilst their hands hover inches away sans touch. Below the counter, internet-enabled glycol sensors and Wi-Fi-connected pipe thermometers have monitored bacterial activity, assuring safe hand washing. Even the mundane mirror nearby doubles as a smart display, indicating air quality readings. For managers, the conveniences compound with long-term optimizations. Historical logs with 10 years of toilet flushing data at the minute level allow predictive modeling of usage during conferences. Staffing and janitorial needs adapt based on empirical patterns rather than guesswork. Risky, reputation-damaging incidents like flooded bathrooms or overflowing trash become easier to preempt, given sensors flagging excessive use. The promise and perils of smarter bathrooms. However, the bathrooms of the future carry complications. Retrofitting IoT sensors and fixtures in aged buildings interrupts operations during lengthy installations. Newer, faster networking hardware like 5G routers must embed in structural designs, not conduit-crammed ceilings. The hundreds of additional internet-connected appliances per restroom also introduce new cyber attack surfaces vulnerable to mischief by malicious hackers. Privacy proves another entanglement, given internet-enabled video cameras now surveying the stalls. Smart bathroom pioneers straddle between personalized convenience and creepy surveillance, hoping anonymized data reporting calms unease about tracking individuals. For administrators, worries persist around data usage, with some questioning whether to monitor pregnant employees' smart toilet use to gauge medical needs. A new frontier of ethical decisions looms. For large venues like airports and shopping malls, operating budgets already break 6 figures, making the prospect of swelling costs to enable smart bathrooms chilling. And even after installing sufficient sensors, reliable connectivity inside concrete subterranean restroom walls seem uncertain. Thankfully, new long-range networking standards like LoRaWAN help transmit data from toilets buried deep under stadium stands. Teething troubles aside, IoT-enabled bathroom infrastructure offers the promise of greater convenience, efficiency, and well-informed management. Early pilots already reduced congestion-related complaints by over 70% using basic red light, green light visual indicators mounted outside stalls. Extrapolating further, that same sensor data could feed advanced queue models, minimizing wait times through dynamically adjusting maximum occupancy limits. While the smart bathrooms era carries complexity, the progress promises greater comfort. Users enjoy contactless conveniences while administrators leverage informational insights. With technology improving and benefits abounding, the rise of intelligent infrastructure appears imminent, including for that humblest of rooms, the restroom. The revolution indeed continues, one flush at a time. The winds of change, trends propelling smarter bathrooms. Several prevailing tech, industry, and social undercurrents signal that internet-connected IoT-enabled bathrooms will likely continue gaining adoption across homes, offices, venues, and cities. Declining costs. Over the past decade, sensors and networking hardware costs have fallen dramatically, making sophistication increasingly affordable. Today, basic IoT starter kits with motion detectors, wireless transmitters, and cloud services cost under $100. At scale, individual sensor tags can embed for just a few dollars. This allows placing multiple inexpensive monitors across sinks, stalls, entryways, and fixtures to transform bathrooms digitally even with modest renovation budgets. Maturing connectivity. As networking bandwidth has shot up and global LTE, 5G, and Wi-Fi blanket urban spaces, reliable connectivity indoors is improving. New long-range transmission protocols like LoRaWAN also overcome previous challenges of remote bathrooms deep underground or inside concrete walls, unable to transmit sensor data. With maturing infrastructure, bathrooms once among the hardest environments to embed intelligence are now increasingly online. Smarter cloud platforms. Equally crucial, cloud platforms have evolved to simplify managing thousands of events transmitted from various sensors. Advanced analytics, algorithms, and intuitive dashboards convert sensor signals into actionable insights. Platforms like AWS IoT Core, Microsoft Azure IoT, and Google Cloud IoT mesh with various third-party solutions, condensing complex data into simple monitoring. Health monitoring priorities. The COVID pandemic accelerated corporate wellness initiatives monitoring air quality, cleaning, and occupancy. Smart bathrooms align with this focus, allowing improved hygiene, touchless fixtures, and space utilization tracking to limit infection transmission. Post-pandemic, the workplace health trend persists as bathrooms become measurably safer. Water conservation needs. Climate change-driven droughts made efficient water use in bathrooms newly crucial both for cost and sustainability. Internet-connected low-flow toilets, moisture-sensing faucets, and showers controlled by apps help conserve water. With regulations mandating efficiency, smart IoT bathrooms enable compliance. The global smart bathroom market has witnessed steady expansion in recent years and is forecast for robust growth through 2034. Currently valued at an estimated $9.5 billion as of 2024, the market is projected to reach $34.6 billion by 2034, reflecting a healthy compound annual growth rate of 13.7% during this decade. The global smart toilet market has witnessed steady growth in recent years, valued at $3.6 billion in 2022. However, the market is poised for faster expansion going forward, expected to reach $5.5 billion by 2029, reflecting a 6.2% compound annual growth rate during this period. Regionally, while North America leads in existing deployments, countries like China, India, and Indonesia are likely to boom thanks to expanding real estate sectors and interest in modern amenities. By product type, smart toilets take the largest share currently, but integrated smart bathroom systems taking a more holistic approach will expand faster at nearly 15% annually through 2034. While still being a new concept, the smart internet-connected bathroom ecosystem already boasts some pioneering brands, making strides developing clever fixtures and appliances, enhanced through sensors and analytics. Global plumbing powerhouse Toto, for instance, the world's largest toilet manufacturer based in Japan, offers the concept of healthography, leveraging their digital toilets to track key biomarkers in human waste using cameras, samples, and adjustable bowels to provide personalized health insights by monitoring each toilet visit. Their experiments signal the potential for smart loos, addressing the global disease burden through early detection powered by artificial intelligence. Meanwhile, America's leading luxury bidet brand, BioBidet, enables users unprecedented control over their toilet experience using mobile apps and adjustable pressures, temperatures, and positions, even allowing sharing preferences between family members' phones using the cloud. IoT connectivity introduces remote controllability and custom presets, augmenting convenience. On a more commercial scope, startups like SimpleSense install inexpensive internet-linked visual displays mounted above bathroom stall doors using ceiling-embedded sensors to indicate availability and wait times, thereby cutting congestion while secondary screens promote hand-washing rates. Their solution scales across large public venues. Taking touchless automation further, venerable faucet innovator Sloan Valve offers voice-activated flush valves and faucets, promoting water conservation in line with their sustainability focus and reducing restroom energy waste. Hand dryer specialist Excel Dryer's pioneered accelerator model activates high-speed drying only when hands approach the nozzle using smart infrared motion detectors, with cloud connectivity monitoring usage. Finally, the Kohler Connect ecosystem of app-controlled shower systems, touchless faucets, and toilets like their Numi 2.0 Brig Intelligent Control, and contextual awareness like automatic nightlights or music syncing to IoT bathroom fixtures, promising convenience plus peace of mind from safer hygiene and monitoring for households. Propelled by such advances, IoT's permeation across bathrooms appears ensured. As profits, people, and the planet benefit from hyperconnected smart bathrooms, adoption seems poised to increase through this decade. The convenience and insights brought by IoT now traverse from Industry 4.0 factories to that most utilitarian of spaces, the restroom. Even mundane minutiae like soap levels, moisture, and waste now brim with revelation through sensors and data science. Truly, a new era has flushed. As we wrap up this video, one thing is clear: software and AI have an immense capacity to catalyze business growth. If exponential growth is your goal, we can help make it a reality. Innovation, excellence, satisfaction. At Idea Usher, these values drive our app development services from start to finish. With a track record of delivering exceptional apps that resonate with audiences, we stand by our commitment to excellence. Our innovative solutions, client-centric approach, and agile methods set us apart. Whether you need an app concept brought to life or to elevate an existing app, rely on our full-cycle development services for app success. Work with the leading experts who keep innovation, excellence, and your satisfaction at the forefront. Bring your mobile vision into the future with Idea Usher. Contact us today to get started on your next innovative app development project.